Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English Learning video. Here's an example of a conversation at the airport. Looking for the check-in counter. Excuse me, could you tell me where the check-in counter for flight 123 to London is? Sure, it's over there to your left. You'll see the sign for international flights. Thank you. And do you know if there are any delays for that flight? I'm not sure, but you can check the departure screens just over there. They'll have all the latest updates. Great, thanks again. No problem. Have a safe trip. Break time point 5. Next. Passport, please. Look into the camera. Thank you. Where are you going? I'm going to New York. Where will you be staying? I will be staying at the New York Hilton. Thank you. Have a good trip. Next, please. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the notification bell for more great videos. Have a great trip.